Storm damage. How to find hidden wind damage to roof. If there was recent storm damage reported in your area, you might wonder, do I have wind damage on my roof? If you are like a lot of homeowners, you may find it hard to trust contractors in general. That's understandable. But please, don't let fear of contractors let you miss wind damage to your roof. You need a good roofer to help you talk with your insurance company. If not, the consequences can be disastrous. I'll explain later. But first, come with me on a roof. I'll show you what storm damage reliable roofers and insurance adjusters look for and how we find wind damage. Let's go. Here we're on the roof here, and that's obviously the couple spots right here, but I want to show you, like, you see this one here, and you see usually nail hold this shingle right here. That nail is right here. Yeah, right here. You see that nail here, and you see this one lifted. The wind, when it blow on that shingle, it lifted and it peel this shingle from the nail. So now if wind will blow the rain over here, so it will travel underneath of the shingles. About same thing here, but this is especially because there's a the joint between two tiles here. That's the room where most leaks happens. The other one here, you see, same thing. Now wind can blow underneath over here. This unsealed, this shingle is unsealed, and that's the next piece that I wanna turn your attention on. You see how this one even got a little tear. There's a crease here. This one even bigger, because see, this completely open. You see water can blow underneath of the shingles over here. I don't know if you can make a closer picture here. See, this is felt. Yeah, felt gives additional protection, but it's still not guarantee that it's not gonna pop up somewhere in the attic or even on the ceiling. So from the ground, you don't see that damage. From the ground, all shingles are in place. You can get an impression that you're good, but you're not. See, same thing. This one torn completely. The one underneath popped from a nail. See? Oh, even this too, look here. So water come in here and goes behind the shingle. Same thing here. Here, that's another turn. But again, from the ground, it looks like all the shingles are in place. And that's the problem. You need to know it, and you need your roofer be here with the insurance adjuster. That insurance adjuster not try to get away with a small repair, because this roofing system is compromised. The water already underneath of the shingles, these need to be replaced. There you have it, a brief overview of how we find wind damage to your roof, even hidden damage. Here's a little bit of warning though. As I mentioned, your insurance adjuster should do the same test as well. However, be aware, they may not be as thorough as they should be. Some are, some aren't. As a general rule, they aren't motivated to find storm damage. So if you ever have to file a roofing insurance claim, it's in your best interest to have a roofing expert on your side. An experienced roof inspector like our inspectors can point out hidden wind damage to your adjuster for you, so it isn't missed and you don't get a roof leak. I just want to mention that when it comes to hidden wind damage, it's not just a stain on the ceiling from a roof leak that you need to worry about, because, as I mentioned, the consequences could be disastrous. Just as an extreme example, I will tell you one story. Several years ago, a homeowner called me and said that his house was struck by lightning. He said, "I have a broken rafter and my TV and all my electronics were ruined." I went over there and the rafter that held the roof deck was split in half. But the problem was not just the lightning. It was that he already had a leak before the lightning struck. Water conducts electricity. The leaky rafter creates a path for the lightning to strike in that place. So you see, moisture built up in the wood and led to significant damage. That's not to mention, of course, the effect of leaks on your insulation, mold, and animals and insects getting into your attic, and so on. So I hope this video helped you understand how roofers and insurance adjusters look for storm or wind damage. We will talk about hail damage in another video. If you have questions or comments, please let us know. We are here to help, because you need more than a roof over your head. You need a roof that you can count on.